spot.
Pure dominance here, guys.
Talk about getting caught off guard.
Neckbreaker, so devastating.
Tell us about AJ Styles.
He's calling for it.
Better stay right where he is.
Whoa, look at this. What a flip. Roman Reigns has been told his whole life he can't do this, he can't do that. But when it comes to the big dog, you can be sure the man who's part of the Samoan dynasty is going to bring the fight with everything he's got. He wants no part of the outside. Now it's Roman Reigns on his heels. I fully expect him to bounce back, though. This is the type of one-on-one atmosphere where he thrives. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Cole. This is just a little bump in the road for him here. Nothing to worry about.
Roman Reigns will continue to fight no matter what the odds, no matter what the environment. Everyone knows what the leader of the Roman Empire is capable of inside the ring. The word fear is not in Roman Reigns' vocabulary. Superman punch!
So impressive. He's not going to like this. Roman Reigns! Roman Reigns! Styles has him up. Ushigoroshi.
Here's his chance. Yeah, you don't want to get dropped like that. That's for sure.
I think AJ Styles is done playing.
Here's Styles. Phenomenal forearm. He's in control now.
AJ Styles into the cover. The cover, and this one's history. What a win.